Hey guys, it's me, Sparkle8661AJ here, and today I'm with a special guest, so say hi.
Hello.
This is Dark Ghost 176.
Check me out. I'm animal today, please. I need friends. I only have 127. I need 200 right now.
I have 189. Okay, whatever. Anyway. Okay, guys, so Popo and Pooch is coming back, but this is actually going to be the first episode / pilot because the other one sucked, and we're redoing it, and we're gonna make it way better, way funnier, way cooler. Let's get started.
I can't wait until I'm older. So then I could be a police officer.
Oh, you'll never be a police officer in my country. Okay, sweetheart, I make your favorite mashed potatoes and meatloaf.
Oh, yum. Mom,
Yes?
will I ever be a police officer?
Sure, one day. So, sweetheart, how was dinner?
It was yummy.
Okay, well, it's time to go to bed.
Okay. Good night, Mom.
Good night.
I never did become a police officer, but I became something a little bit better. I became a detective. Huh. I need a new partner. I wonder who it should be. Huh? Oh, hi there, buddy.
Hi.
Oh, what? Who is that?
Me,
Wait, who?
the dog.
What?
Yeah.
That can't be.
It kinda is.
But dogs can't talk.
I have a disability where I can talk like humans. It's pretty cool.
Well, that's pretty fascinating.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to be my new detective partner?
Sure.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing.
Well, this is my place. Do you want me to show you around?
Sure. I'd love a tour.
Well, this is the dining area, right here.
Okay. What's this?
This is where we set the people who caused the crimes, and we get all the info out of them.
Ah, okay. What's upstairs?
Well, upstairs is your room and my room.
Ooh, this is a nice room. Whose is
Yep,
this?
one's yours.
Yay! This is an awesome room. Where's your room?
My room's over here. Just in case you need me, they're right across from each other.
Okay.
What should your name be?
I don't know. It better be good.
Pooch.
I like that name. And that's how we became
Popo.
and Pooch.